Man, it's rough and tough, but I think you said rock fire, man. Have a good one. I might get out of the way. 333 gone.
Oh, 333, 51 Virginia. Say hello. 333, 51 Virginia. Hey, good morning, around Cali, 51 Virginia.
Mostly, but there's somebody coming in there with you, man. Hey, 747, enjoy, man. Hey, I gotta go get ready to get off.
Oh, 88 around the Mojave Desert, my friend. 88, 51, old Charlie waving.
Oh, man. Supposed to be it.
Hey, I hear that Golden Gate. Come on in, 51.
I just want to pass a fire from my friendly local 4040. 4040 wants to say hello to you. 932 Golden Gate, 51 Virginia. Come on.
Hey, 932, I appreciate that. Yeah, I ain't talked to that 4040 and shoot, been a month, I guess, or more, but hey, I hope he's doing good, and I hope you're doing good there, too. Boy, you sounding good there, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, Charlie, man. You take care, 51 Virginia. 932, and I just wanted to pass that friendly fire, Roger.
I appreciate it, 932. It's always a pleasure to hear from you. Always good to hear my buddy 4040 out there, too. So, yeah, tell him we waved a big old hand his way, him and all the gang in the house there, Roger. Hey, 932, pleasure on this thing for sure.
You take care of that 51. 932 around this Golden Gate, and I'm clear and gone.
932, have a great afternoon out there. And I hope you have a great happy day coming up also. 932, shout at us anytime. We'll sure try to say hello. Hey, have a great day, 51 Virginia. Old Charlie, set back out of the way.
51, you take care, man. Take care down there, man. And I will talk to you later. 51 Virginia, 932, Golden Gate Bridge, clear and gone. Bye. Devil here, that 413. This is 601, the Mountain Goats. With the 445 radio, man. Come on. Mountain Goat. Johnny, wave. Hello, Mountain Goat. Johnny, wave. Get him wave. Johnny, ain't getting after him, man.
Get ready to unhook there about 2 hours, Cat, because there's a big old storm coming our way. Tomorrow morning, going to Indiana, taking my station down on the central coast of Cali and putting it up in Anderson, Indiana. Where's that Empire State Building? Come on. Where's that telephone 4040 is at? I don't know. He's supposed to be moving. He might be in a moving deal right now. First thing I do when I get to Indiana is put my station up, and then we'll set the house up. Hey, 932, is that 4040 ever started moving yet? 51, Ben knows it. Well, young gun, you're sounding good out here in Cali, too, man. No pain, no strain, young gun. 932, and I'm waving a hand at you from the Golden Gate. 932. Sounding good out there, Mountain Goat, 51 Virginia. Hey, guys, who's smoking out here? I guess they got on conditions on that Mountain Goat up. 932, Johnny, back in the bushes. Johnny Ringo, is it? And 932, is that 4040 ever moved yet? Has he ever moved yet? Negative, man. He has not moved yet, so I'll definitely tell him to put it on Facebook when he does that. Something else. Okay, 932, I'm getting in after her. So I'm going to tell 4040, Johnny, waved a big old hand at him. Big old pappy says both of you. 932, I'll get on out here. Take care of that way. Always good talking to you. T-Bird, bottom side of Cali. You know, back in my nest, listen. 413 around the Big Apple, 413 around Big Apple, 601 the Mountain Goat. Put his feet back in the sand, gonna let it cool down and start ripping down the end. It's cooled off.
number 51 to T-Bird. San Diego. And I'm back in my nest.
Definitely rubbing tough. I just know this thing.
I do, I sure don't want to.
I had that radio man in my receive there for a minute. Hey, radio man 445, 932, Golden Gate.
Yes, good dog, Grandpa on the west side, clear with no conditions. Have a good day, ba-ba-ba. Dirty boy, hey, dirty boy, that's you, man. Hey, dirty boy, that's you, man. It's fine, no doubt about it. Dirty boy, making a fine trip to San Diego. You know who the
Must be something up, Bob.
Bird. And I'm back in my nest.
445, radio man 932, Golden Gate.
What's going on, 26-5?
Hey, dirty bird. Hey, yourself. Hey, dirty bird.